What's up guys, welcome to a new trade recap. Some time ago I made a trade where I showed you how I passed the phase 1 in one trade, and today I'm gonna show you how I passed phase 2 in one Bitcoin trade. So let's hop into the charts. So this is the trade I'm talking about. It was from the 11th or the 10th of September. And it was pretty much the same setup as the phase 1 trade. So let's go on the hour 4. As you can see, we switched structure on the hour 4 because we had this leg to the downside, and right here we switched structure. So hour 4 is bullish. Hour 1, as you can see, this was the structure break. Hour 1 also was bullish. We had a little fake break right here, as you can see. Then we switched structure back to bullish again. So hour 4 is bullish and hour 1 is bullish. Then we go on the lower time frame and look at the M15. This was a strong pump to the upside when we switched structure. So I am anticipating higher prices. I got out this fib tool and look, and we retraced perfectly half into this leg to the upside. So this was the area where I was then starting to look for longs. Then I went even on the lower time frame, M5. As you can see, we were in an uptrend, then we switched structure bearish right here. But hour 4 is bullish, hour 1 is bullish, so I'm anticipating a fake break and we will pump higher. So I waited after this break for a new market structure break, and this was the high to break, guys. We broke down here and this was the high to break. So we broke this on the M5, and once we had a proper market structure break, as you can see, we got it right away. Didn't get it right away. This second candle didn't close above this bearish candle. So I waited another 2 candles, and right here we broke structure. I set my limit order a little bit lower. Stop loss was way below the last low. 0.75% stop loss. That's what I mostly do on Bitcoin. And the TP was 1.7R, and I risked on this challenge 3%. On challenges I always risk between 2 and 3%, guys, because I have the capital available. I rather pass challenges a little bit quicker, but the occasional challenge gets breached. If you start out with prop firms, I recommend you just use 1% risk, low risk, because you don't want to breach challenges when you're starting out. So after that I market entered right here, or set a limit order a little bit lower, and TP was 1.7R. Why 1.7R? Because that's the goal that I need to pass my challenge phase 2. And as you can see, the matter of one day we hit it, and I passed phase 2 as well, guys. And that's basically all the magic there is. Trading is not really this magical thing that we do. We just have our basic triggers. We collect data on our system and we know what works over the long term. We know that we can't win every trade, and that's the mindset that you need for trades like this, you know. A lot of trades like this will fail, but also a lot of trades like this will win, and with the proper risk management, with proper RR, it will work out over the long term. That's what we do, that's what we teach in Tribe Capital. And I took this trade on Bright Funded, guys, the prop firm that I work with. If you want a proper prop firm to trade, links are down below. My code FLOP, it's all in the description. And also, if you want to learn the trade, link is down below for Tribe Capital. You can join. I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.